Hi guys, today I will show you an issue with this Onkyo AV receiver. So try to power it on. So it's showing AMP diag mode. So if this is the case, something to do with something like a high high current or some shorted in the speaker system. Yeah. So let's have a look. So it's doing like a amp diagnostics. So now it is on the front right and surround left, surround right, then BL. I think what is BL and BR? So it says here check SP wire or check speaker wire. So normally if you check, you need to check the speakers if there's some shorted or some something touching the body or the chassis of the receiver. But normally in this case I don't have this issue. So what I can do is just first turn this off. Then what I can do is try to factory reset. So where is that? There should be a function cable. Press the cable satellite button, then showing clear. Then it just clear it up, then try start again. So now it's in volume 40. So initial setup. So it's already cleared the system, so I just need to do some initial setup, then it should be going. Okay, after I have set up the AV receiver, so try to turn off and turn on again if it is still having this check SP wire problem. See here showing volume, then see all the speakers are active already, then see volume 48. Yeah, so that's it, no more error, then I can enjoy watching home theater. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.